where all the functions of the bike is displayed, and where we are now, you can see the bar for the petrol. So immediately my tank is full, this bar will go to the front. If once I'm on the road, it will show the kilometer at which I'm speeding. Then you see the bike is in neutral. If I were to on the full light, it will come up here that the full light is on. If I were to do the point, if I were to on the pointer, it will show that the pointer is working. So all the function of the bike basically appears on this dashboard. But there's another function I want you to pay attention to. That is the throttle and the clutch. These are like husband and wife. The clutch neutralizes the power of the throttle. It doesn't make the throttle perform very well. So while you are racing your bike and you don't want the bike to run very well, hold the throttle. It will just be shouting. It will just be making noise. Why it doesn't move very well? But every time you leave this throttle and race, it keep going. That is why for starter, please always make sure that your hand is on the throttle. Let me say that again. Always make sure that your hand is on the throttle. Never anytime leave it up like this as if you are not touching it. No, your hand to guide the throttle in this format. So how do you start the bike? Please watch me very closely now. I want to start the bike. Watch me very closely now. The I told you, there's not the thing of using leg to keep the bike. Don't use leg this time around. We start the bike from the hand. So once the bike is in this area, this is off, this is on. Once it's on like this, you just raise the bike a little and you now the bike has started now. For you to move this bike, you hold your throttle, you hold your clutch, and you put it in gear. So I remember the gear, you put it in gear. So when you press it down, that is the one. So I'm pressing it down now. Now the one now. So if I want this bike to move forward, I will leave this clutch small, a little. Once I release a little and I increase, I give this a little bit of light, a little bit of speed, and I raise it a little. What happens? That will keep going. What is about now is my stability. Once the bike keep going, I lift my leg from the ground and I put it on the footrest. I've not changed the gear, I'm putting it on gear now. For you who are a beginner, please don't be afraid. Once your hand is on the clutch, you press your brake and you press your hand on the clutch and you off.